Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a national leader with AVON, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning. I hope you guys are doing great. My hair is shining because I used my Bee shampoo and it's feeling good. So let me go ahead and show you guys my morning skincare regimen. Let me grab it. I should have had it here more accessible. I'm using my 1.5 hyaluronic acid as my treatment. I'm using my Belief Aqua Bomb to help with moisture, also to help with pore size. I don't know if you guys can see, I'm seeing a huge difference in pores. And then of course, depuffing eye serum for those eyes. This is still on sale with the in-shower mask for $23.99. Don't miss that deal because it's going away soon. And then my Skin Invincible Day Cream with SPF 50, because you want to protect your skin from the sun. Even if it looks like nasty outside, you still need to protect your skin because sun rays still get through. Ink Lasting Primer. We are going old school today. I'm going to go back to the original OG products. So we are using Ink Lasting Primer. Ink Lasting Foundation, Cushion Foundation. Still one of my favorites. It has great coverage. I'm looking for my concealer as we talk. I got this fancy new makeup holder. It's so cool. But it has a lot of drawers, and I don't remember where I put everything, so I'm having to dig through it to find it. Okay, got it. All right, so we're going to go in now with our Cushion Foundation. Still simple. I'm using the shade Porcelain. Boop, 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 boop. Pick up some foundation, and I'm just going to pat it into my skin. Okay, super simple. Oh, I forgot my green goddess. I think I left it on my desk because I was showing it last night on my team training. That's okay. It really helps with redness around my nose area. I'm not sure why my nose is showing so much redness, but it definitely helps treat that. Okay, so my topic today is Let Us Shine. So I'm sorry that I missed yesterday, which is International Women's Day, but it's actually International Women's Month. So we're going to celebrate it today. And, you know, I just think about women, the powerful women in my life. And those do not have to be, you know, movie stars or political figures. Those can be just the run-of-the-mill, your best friends, right? Your girlfriends. I am so blessed with a plethora of amazing women in my life, girlfriends, that lift me up when I do not even know how I'm going to get through the day. With our care team that helps with my boys. Fellow MECP2 moms that have done amazing things for our research for a cure, which is the syndrome that my boys have. It could be a Sunday school teacher or an elder in your church. You know, our school teachers that teach our kids. I mean, those people are heroes to me, right? I mean, that's not a job for the weak of hearts. School teaching is something that we should celebrate, those women. You know, there's women all around you that are maybe not famous or Facebook famous, but they're still influential people in your life. And so when I think about International Women's Day, I'm using translucent loose powder now. When I think about International Women's Day, I think about influential people that have made a difference, right? I mean, your mom, your grandmother, those are women in your life that have made a difference and that we should celebrate during International Women's Month. It's not just a day anymore, so it's a whole month. Okay, we are going to do something to these brows. So in the comment section, I'd love for you guys to celebrate a woman in your life or a couple of women in your life that are influential, that, you know, lift you up whenever you don't know how you're going to get through the day. You know, life is tough. Okay, I'm using dark brown Glimmer stick in the Brow Define to fill in these brows. I'm just showing you guys a quick little thing of how I do this. Okay, Just filling them in, nothing big. So who are some women in your life that you celebrate today? I think sometimes it's mentors and maybe in your business or your company. Really, a lot of times it's Sunday school teachers in my life, people that have just really spoken life into me as a mom and as a wife. Okay, all right. We are going to use our khaki style quad today. This got some greens in it. I'm wearing some greens in my Mardi Gras shirt because it's still Mardi Gras and we're going to celebrate. So we're going to go in up with this number 1 here. We're going to cover the base of our eye. Do a little extra. We're going to do a little extra. We're going to shine just a little bit today. There's always a reason to shine. Even if the time change has us all kinds of messed up, which happens. How many of you did this time change kind of kick in the butt? It's like, I don't want to get up. Okay, I took 2 and 3 and I blended for my crease. And I'm just working. We're doing khaki style quad this morning. We have tons of great colors in the quads, especially if you find that you kind of like to stay with a certain color. I really like the chocolate sensations. It's got some beautiful browns in it. But I wanted to pull in some greens today so we can shine as we're celebrating International Women's Month. And so, my encouragement to you guys is, stop I'm going to go in with 4 now, and I'm going to work that in here. Stop for a second today and just show gratitude to those women in your life that have made a big difference. Maybe shoot them a text and say, hey, I'm celebrating you today during International Women's Month. Just wanted to let you know that you've made a difference in my life. Like I said, it could be a mom, it could be a sister, it could be a best friend. But we need to just sometimes lift one another up. Okay, I don't know what is going on over here. What is going on this eye? Okay, maybe that's it. I'm going to go back with 1 and 2 and watch this. We're just going to bring this down in this crease here. Yeah. We're going to blend over here because I don't know what's going on with that eye. Then we're going to use our Super Extend Black. So I am blessed with amazing team members on my team, Jennifer's Jewels of Avon, where we sell Avon together and we do life together and we encourage and uplift each other. And there are lots of women on my team that are fighting daily battles, that are still making things happen in their life. And so I want to give shout out to them to celebrate. Okay, this is the Super Extend Liquid Liner in black. You guys, it goes on so smoothly. I love the way it goes on. We're going to curl these lashes. But, I think it's important in our lives, whether it be men or women, to stop and always pay tribute to those people that really make a difference in our lives. We get so busy living life and being in a hurry and not taking the time to just say, hey, you mean a lot to me. Thanks. Thanks for making a difference in my life. And when you will stop and do that, it makes somebody else's day. Okay. We're doing Love Mascara on these lashes. Doing some explosive growth here and some explosive length. If you have not tried this Love Mascara, you definitely need to get it in your life. I just made a huge boo-boo, so I'm going to get a Q-tip, run it right underneath, and it fixes the boo-boo. That's a free tip this morning. All right. Love Mascara has heart-shaped fibers in it, and they just attach to your lashes, and they give them volume. They give it length. It's so pretty. My children are hollering, "Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom!" They are ready to go to school today. This week we have time change, we have a full moon, and we have Friday the 13th. There you go. That was free. I'm like, gosh, can we not have everything in 1 week? I've got another boo-boo. That's okay, because we're just going to take our Q-tip and just touch it up. You're going to pick it right up, and it's going to be gone. All right, we are going to use our cushion blush and coral. Ready? Do that fish lips. There we go. Have a little bit of color. What do you think about that green? It is pretty. I do see a little bit of a mess up on the top with that liner. Guys, Q-tips are your best friend. If you don't have Q-tips in your bathroom, what are you doing with your life? You need to get some Q-tips in your bathroom because it's going to make a big difference. Okay, let's go this morning with our Glimmer Kiss and Amethyst. Let's try it. So I'm going to show you how I have been applying these. I am putting it here on my hand, like so. I'm going to take a lipstick brush and I hear you. You're like, Jennifer, you're too old to be wearing purple lipstick. Well, here's my thing. Life is too short to worry about age and what you're wearing. So I'm going to do what makes me happy. And right now, purple amethyst lipstick with my green eyeshadow makes me feel Mardi Gras and happy. So let me give you a look at these eyes. What do you think? The Glimmer Kiss. We're looking festive. So take a minute today. Celebrate someone in your life that you love. Someone that has spoken truth into your life. Someone that means a lot to you. Maybe somebody that is inspirational to you, and celebrate them. Tell them thank you for making an impact on your life. Tell them thank you for just being a part of your life. And share this video. Somebody needs to see this video. Maybe they need some quick makeup tips. Maybe they just need to hear that they're important. So thanks for watching Wake Up and Makeup. If you want to shop for these products, you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey or with your local representative that maybe shared this video with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a fantastic week. Mwah. Bye, guys.